To use Zelle on Capital One, start by ensuring you have the Capital One mobile app installed on your device. If you do not have it, you can download it from the App Store. Once you have the app, open it and log in to your account using your username and password. Navigate to the menu and select the Zelle option. If you have not enrolled in Zelle before, you will be prompted to do so. To enroll, you will need to accept the terms of service and provide your email address or mobile phone number. You will then receive a verification code that you must enter to complete the enrollment process. After enrolling, you can send money to others using Zelle. To do this, select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Choose the account you want to use to send the money and enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a memo to the transaction if you want. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then select Send. The recipient will receive the money typically within minutes, as long as they have already enrolled in Zelle. If the recipient has not enrolled, they will receive a notification with instructions on how to do so. To receive money using Zelle on Capital One, the sender must send the money to your email address or mobile phone number that is enrolled in Zelle. You will receive a notification when the money has been sent, and it will be deposited into your account typically within minutes. It is essential to use Zelle responsibly and only send money to people you trust. Be cautious when sending money to someone you do not know, as transactions made through Zelle are typically irreversible. Always review the transaction details carefully before sending money, and never provide your account information or login credentials to anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Zelle on Capital One safely and efficiently. If you have any questions or issues, you can contact Capital One customer support for assistance.